Okay.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. It's Libby the Clown here. Happy to be speaking to you on the internet. Oh, I don't think I need this microphone. So I wanted to tell you a story. When I first started off as a clown, I only did balloons, animal balloons. And then when I started going to the children's hospital, I was told that I needed to learn some magic. So the first thing I did was sign up for magic lessons, and I went to my first magic lessons with the late Eric Lenz, and I brought along my little wand. I'm not sure if you can see it, but he told me that that was not going to work and I'd have to get something bigger because I needed to learn how to pull a rabbit from a hat. So I dispensed with a small wand, and as it happened, I was in Toronto at Browser's Den and managed to find myself a wand. But I think what they sold me was somewhat defective because every time I took it out to use, it just kept collapsing. I went to Eric and he said, no, you're going to need something more substantial than that and get something that's stiffer. So I dispensed with that broken wand and I went down and I went to Clowning Around where I spoke to Amanda, and she sold me this wand. But when I took it to show Eric, he said, that's just not going to cut it. It's too small, it's insubstantial. So I kept it in the wrapper. I tried to take it back, but Clowning Around wouldn't accept it. So that was the end of that wand. So I was thinking, I went back to Clowning Around, asked them if they would take it back. They said no, but they offered to sell me another one, which is the one I purchased. And I took it down to see Eric at our next lesson. And Eric said, that wand, it's a little bit short. I said, well, no, it actually extends. But he said to me, that's really not going to cut it. If you ever want to learn to pull a rabbit from a hat, you're going to need a much bigger and more powerful wand. Well, that was the end of that one. So then I went back to Clowning Around. I said, this is the last time I'm coming to the store. I need a big one that's going to satisfy my customers. Excuse the pun. But Joe said, he was working that day, he said, I've got the perfect one for you. So he went back to the back of the store and he went to search for this large wand. Oh, you're probably wondering why I'm using this board. Well, I actually asked my wife if I could borrow the ironing board. She was terribly excited because she thought I was going to do some of the ironing, but no such luck. Anyway, back to the story. I was in Clowning Around. Joe comes back with this little parcel, and then all of a sudden he starts pulling out this huge wand. Well, when I took it to Eric then, he said, that's the perfect length of a wand, but it's not going to be really practical. But anyway, I decided I would give the wand a test, so I tried to get rabbits from the hat, but then I decided to look in my little case. What do you know? The wand worked because I didn't just get one rabbit, I got 2, I got 3, I got 4, and I got 5. You know what happens when you put rabbits together. Anyway, that's my story. Bye!